Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Taylor and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking about and showing you guys my favorite top 10 eyeshadow palettes for fall time. Go ahead and hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you don't miss an upload. And let's start the video. These eyeshadow palettes are not going to be in any specific order, and I'm not going to be ranking them. I'm just going to be showing you guys my personal opinion of my favorite eyeshadow looks that I think is perfect for fall time. Okay, so the first palette I'm going to be showing you guys is the Juvia's Place The Chocolates Mini Eyeshadow Palette. This is what the inside looks like. I think this is perfect for a deep, neutral eyeshadow look. You could do a smoky look, or you could keep it a little bit more neutral down with these colors. The shimmer is kind of coppery, and I just think this would be really pretty for a, everyday kind of fall eyeshadow look. And I think it retails for around $14, so it definitely is really affordable. And I just think it's a perfect little palette, especially if you want to travel. This is a little tiny palette. It would fit into a makeup bag super easy. Next palette is this Ace Beauty Grandiosi palette. This is what the inside looks like. Mine looks kind of rough, as you can tell. I have used it quite a bit, but I got this in a BoxyCharm and I really love it. I think it's perfect for fall time because you have your warmer brown shades here. You have some berry tone shades here, like a burgundy, and then you also have your like copper and some orange. And I just think like you could create a ton of different fall time looks with this one palette. Next is the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This palette I think is perfect for like an everyday fall time look. Light tone shades right here for a natural look, or you could even do a smoky look. There's also these like berry tone shades, I would call them, right here in the shimmer shadows. Actually, I used this palette today for my eyeshadow. There's tons of different fall time looks you could create with this palette. I think it just screams fall time. Okay, so now I have the Pixie Beauty Rosette Ray palette. This is what it looks like. And I think this is a super pretty fall time palette. This is a drugstore palette, and I think it retails for around $22. So it is on more of the affordable side. You got these light tone shades. You got some darker ones. There's like a burgundy. You could create any kind of a look with these. As soon as I seen this palette, I knew I had to use this for fall time makeup tutorials, and I actually do have a fall time makeup tutorial on my channel using this palette. If you want to go check that out, I will link it in the description. But yeah, I think this is a perfect fall time palette, and again, if you like travel a lot, this would be perfect because it's very small, but it definitely has like all the shades you would need. Next, of course, I have to do this one too, the Pixie Beauty Hazelnut Haze eyeshadow palette. And this one's probably my favorite. I think this is a really pretty palette. You can do a neutral kind of eyeshadow, or you definitely have these like a burnt orange down here for an eyeshadow look, like a coppery. And you even have this light green shimmer right here. You could create a green fall look or a orange fall look. I just think this is really pretty, and it definitely screams fall time to me. Next, I have this Tarte palette. It is a Clay Play face shaping palette, but as you guys can see, there is these eyeshadows I think would be perfect for a natural fall time look. This would be perfect for an everyday look, something quick and simple. You definitely could use this even if it's not fall, but I just thought it was a pretty fall time palette. Okay, so now I have the Carly Bible palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is what it looks like. I just thought this would be perfect for a cool tone fall time look. You have these eyeshadows are very cool tone and pretty. There's the peach, you got the burgundy, a gold, Even this one right here would be perfect for like a grungy kind of fall time look. And you could still keep it simple with these shades right here for a natural look. So you could definitely create tons of fall time looks with this palette as well. I literally could not do this video without this palette being one of the fall time palettes. It's the Morphe Jaclyn Hill OG palette. This is the original palette Morphe and Jaclyn Hill did. This is what it looks like. You could create so many fall looks with this palette. I would definitely recommend it for like, it's a beautiful fall time palette, but you could create literally any kind of look you wanted with this one palette. So if you wanted like one good palette, I definitely suggest this one. More neutral eyeshadows over here. You got some dark eyeshadows right here for a smoky look. You got your burnt orange and copper. There's tons of golden eyeshadow shimmers you could use. You even have some burgundy shades right here. I just think this would be the best palette for a fall time look. And next I have the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And this one I think is perfect for fall time too, but for more of a bright fall time eyeshadow look. You got all these shades scream fall time to me, but they are bright. So if you don't want a bright fall time look, this palette probably isn't for you. But I really like this because I love bright colors. And you got your oranges, your reds, purples, like berry tone colors. You can even do like smoky, there's black, but you could also keep it neutral up in here. It's just, I think this is perfect for a bright, colorful fall time eyeshadow look. And now I have the e.l.f. Cosmetics Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the shade Pumpkin Pie. This is perfect for a simple fall time look. You have all the shades you need to create one look right here. This only costs $3. You cannot beat that. The eyeshadow quality is amazing and it's only $3. Like, it's amazing. You can definitely create a very pretty fall eyeshadow look with this palette. Next I have the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette, and this is what it looks like. I thought this was beautiful for a like grungy fall time look, like a deep smoky eye. This palette would be perfect for that. You got your darker shades, and I just think this would make a stunning fall time grungy eyeshadow look. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I am almost at 900 subscribers, which is insane to me. So I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me along my YouTube journey, and I will see you guys in my next video.